This week, I'm giving an evaluation of Burt's Bees Night's Cream. Night for intense hydration. That's what we're doing today. I'm in the middle of something. Hello, and welcome to this episode of Live, Laugh, Lotion with your host, Cody Montanye. I'm Cody Montanye. Welcome to Live, Laugh, Lotion. This is the YouTube channel where we talk about lotion, mainly. I live and we try to laugh. That's the big thing. We try to enjoy life and take care of ourselves as a community. That sounds good to you. Let's get moist. Let's get moist. It's weird not pushing a spout. I prefer, this is nice. Locking mechanism. You can't get much better than just a container. Just a little old jar, little mason jar of lotion. So what I like about the Burt's Bees face lotion is it's a night cream. It doesn't say face lotion. I guess you could probably use it on your hands or something, but generally I would say night creams are for some extra hydration for when you sleep. Generally you wanna use some kind of cleanser first. You wanna clean your face and your pores, get it rehydrated. So I have a Burt's Bees cleanser that I use. I'll do a review on that sometime. Right now I'm trying to stick to mainly lotions. I've really liked this lotion because or cream. Is there a difference between lotion and a cream? I feel like there should be. I feel like we should stop just tossing around one or the other and really stick to one. It is a cream. It's like dip. It's like the Tostitos of skincare. Just can't just have one, right? That's Pringles. Use daily in the evening after cleansing with intense hydration cream cleanser. All right, so I don't use that cleanser, or at least I don't think I do, because that sounds intense. I just use a regular Burt's Bees cleanser. What I like about the Burt's Bees is it's intense hydration. It doesn't make your skin feel greasy or oily. It feels like, I don't know. I really like it. I really, really do, because it feels firm. It feels a little soft, but mainly just like a tightness. I don't know. In a good way. It's a good tightness, like age defying. I don't know. Yeah, because I feel like sometimes your skin feels soft after a lotion, but really it didn't really sink in. So you're just kind of feeling I don't know. Maybe that's just in my head. But this, it just felt like all skin. So that was pretty sweet. Again, Burt's Bees product, they don't hold anything back. They're not releasing a new night cream every year and you'll buy it. They're just doing what they do, knowing that this is gonna resonate with the people that it's supposed to, and I'm one of them. I like a good natural lotion, especially face. I feel like wintertime, it's a lot of dry skin. A lot of dry skin during the winter. It's rough on your skin, but now we have to repair. We got a lot of repairing to do from a long winter. We're quarantined, might as well skincare. Some guys go to prison, they get buff. I'm gonna come out of this quarantine with the smoothest skin in the world. Yeah, people are gonna be like, damn, man, have you been moisturizing? Be like, yeah, a few times a day. I have yet to apply it because obviously I'm filming, and since I'm filming and I'm on film, I am wearing makeup too, because I'm supposed to, because I'm on film. So I can't really rub this on my face right now. It's not a lot of makeup. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know what I have. I have a couple things. Should I review them? No, that would be weird. No, haha, I don't know how to do it. I think I put too much makeup on. Can you tell? You can tell in the last video. I saw it when I was editing. It was rough. Ugh, looked like I caked it on there like a clown. I don't wear makeup. So I got a few Burt's Bees products now. It's a nice little glass jar too. You can use it when you're done for other stuff. I'm gonna do an episode where I make lotion, and maybe I'll use this jar. This is 1.8 ounces. Yeah, comment below if you would like to see a lotion video. I've been wanting to kind of see what it takes. Let's make some Live, Laugh, Lotion, together as a team. That's what I'm thinking. What type of ingredients are you looking for in your lotions? Do you have specific needs? Let's see if we can figure out a lotion that'll, be good for all of us. Post your favorite skincare ingredients below so we can get that happening. We can get it popping. Now on to portability. This is my backpack. I usually carry around lotion as well as other things. And that's where this doesn't really apply because unless it's a nighttime cream. So if this is your overnight bag, perfect. Boom. I went months without my girlfriend knowing I had moisturizer. Ex-girlfriend. But yeah, it's perfect. It's nice, easy to slip in. Perfect for portability. If this is your night bag, you're hanging out with the bros, but you still care about your skin. You still need a little bit of moisture. You still need a rejuvenation. You don't want to age. Again, portability, A+++. But yeah, again, recyclable. No testing on animals. That's a big thing. They're cruelty free. They care about people as well as animals. And it's good for, I believe this is the sensitive skincare line, the little blue tag. I believe. Yeah, no, it shows. It's very delicate. You don't need much, and it feels like you got it covered. But if you guys have been liking this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be sure to like the video and comment. I will be in the comments talking away. Let's start a dialogue. Let's start a community. Let's start taking skincare seriously. Let me know if you moisturize today. You should be moisturizing every day, at least a couple times, because I care. I care about skincare. I will see you next week, but don't forget, one hand, lotion's the other. Bye. Boop. I can't bleep. That wasn't on purpose. Okay, I'm gonna go.